Hello dear learners, we welcome you to your FredExcel lessons for today. This year 2023, we have a lot in store for you. Please put on your notification to get alerts whenever we post a new video. Practice along and send in your questions. In today's lessons, we are going to be looking at the SumProduct function with multiple criteria. Now, we've touched on the SumProduct function in our previous lessons. If you haven't watched the video, please do well to go back to our previous videos and get yourself acquainted with the videos. So here we have records of our marketers who are grouped according to teams, team A to team H, and the revenue they made from January to June. So let's say we want to know how much team C made in March. Using the SumProduct function, we can detect that. You hit on the equal to sign, then SumProduct. Then you open your parentheses again and you select your first array. You close your parentheses, comma, then you open your parentheses again, and this time around you select the second array, that's A2 to A9. And here we're saying this array should be equal to the data in cell J2. And here that is team C. You close your parentheses, then you hit your multiplication sign, open your parentheses again, and this time around we are going to select our next criteria, and that is cell B1 to cell G1. We're saying that this array should be equal to the data in cell J3, and here that is March. Okay, so we close our parentheses and we hit enter. We have 1850 as our value. Okay, so here, if let's say I want to know the revenue made by team H in the month of June, I just change this to June. I hit on enter and I have 2,600 here as the revenue. Thank you for joining in today. Comment on this video. Let us know how well you're doing. Forward this video, share to all your contacts, and get your friends to subscribe to this channel. It's FredExcel on all platforms. See you next time.